Oh hello guys! In today's video I'm going to tell you top 5 sources from where you can learn Java, and these sources are for absolute beginners. So if you're not aware of what a programming language is and some programming basics, then these courses are best suitable for you guys. I have chose these courses on majorly 3 factors. First one being the price, if the courses are free or not. Second, I look upon into the ratings, that how many people have actually enrolled into it and how many ratings have they provided to the course. And third factor I considered is if they are providing you the certification and not. So my 5 ranking from 1 to 5 are based on these factors. So the first course is Java Programming for Complete Beginners by Udemy. So the first course is Java Programming for Complete Beginners launched by Udemy. This is very excellent course guys. As you can see here, more than 1 lakh students have already enrolled into it, and the rating is also very good, 4.5 with 15,800 rating given to it. And also if I talk about price, it is very less, it's just 385 rupees, and if you enroll within 4 days you're getting 96% off. So this is the best time to enroll into this course. And the third point I talk about is if you are getting the certification or not. As you can see here, you will also getting the certification of completion. So it is fulfilling all your demands. And if I talk about content, the content is very well versed in this course. You will get all the things like how to install Java, what the beginning of programming, everything from 0 to higher level. You will get everything in this course. It is about 31 hours of course, and you will get full lifetime access. So it's totally flexible, you can do it according to your need. The second course will be Java Fundamentals by Pluralsight. The second course is the Java Fundamentals, the Java language by Pluralsight. This is again a very good course guys. As you can see here, the rating of this course is very good. It is covering almost everything, how to set up your JDK, IDE, the basic of Java, and everything is being covered. And you can see here the rating is also very good, the course is very good. And also the best part is that this course is giving you a start a free 10-day trial. So you can do this course within 10 days. The course is quite brief, so you will be able to do this course within 10 days if you are very consistent on this course. That's it, you don't have to pay any fees for this. Just complete the course within 10 days and you're good to go with Java. The third course is Java for Absolute Beginners by Udemy. Course is Java for Absolute Beginners. This is again a very good course guys by Udemy, and again you can see here it is available at the minimum price of 385 for 4 days, approx left for this price. And as you can see the rating is 4.7, higher than the first one, but the student enrolled in this is lesser than the first one. That's why I put that as the primary and this one being the secondary one. So you can avail any of them. The first I talk about is the best one, which was for Java for Complete Beginners, and this is the second. If you are not able to enroll into that one, you can enroll into this one. This is for 7 hours on demand course. This is a little more brief, this is a little more short than that one, and also this is going to give you the certificate of completion by Udemy. So again a very good course with the certificate. The fourth one is Learn Java from Scratch by Educative. The fourth course is Learn Java from Scratch by Educative. So this is again a very good course guys, and this is little bit special course because this course is not of a recording video. This is a text based course. So you will read it like you will read a book, and this is faster than videos because obviously if you see 150 words per minute spoken words, you will read at least 250 words at the same time. This is like reading book. It's like you will have book of Java and you will read it. It will give you some examples as well. You will get to solve some problem as well. It's a very good book, very good course, for those students who are not likely to watch videos, who get bored from them, and who are more interested in reading books. This is the best one for you guys. It's a little exceptional but a very good course. And also guys, as you can see here, you will get the certification of completion in this course as well, and this is also for beginner only. And the fifth one guys is Java Programming and Software Engineering Fundamentals Specialization by Coursera. The last course is Java Programming and Software Engineering Fundamental Specialization by Coursera. This is again a very good course, guys. The rating is 4.6 and it's been completed by more than 11,000 students. The rating has been given by 11,000 students. The enrollment is 2,11,000. It is a very good course, guys. I have put it into the 5th point because it is a paid course. But the best part is you can avail the financial aid from here. How to avail a financial aid, I have already made a video on this. I will share the link of that in the description below. So if you don't want to pay for this course, you can always avail the financial aid. But this course is very good. If you are able to afford it, go for this course. If not, then you have to apply for financial aid, and after 15 days or so, you can start with this course if your financial aid got approved. The detail of those courses, you will get the shareable certificate. So you will get certificate for this. It is 100% online course, so you can do it at your own pace. It is a flexible schedule, beginner level. That means no prior experience is required to start this course. It will take about 5 months to complete. So it's a very detailed course. It will take about 5 months. That means approx 4 hours per week you have to give into it. And the best part is it is covered in these many languages. So if you are not comfortable with English, if you are from different country, you can enroll into any of the languages if you are able to speak any of these languages. So it's the best course for you guys. And if you say the enrollment, it has the highest enrollment. It has 2,11,000 enrollment. But the other part is it is a paid course. So if you are able to afford it, go for it. If not, you have to apply for financial aid. Then only you can start with this course. Hello guys, if you like this video, please press the like button. If you want to see my upcoming videos, please press the subscribe button. And if you want to get notification for all the videos, do press the bell button.